Then next is how to use smart lists and filters to organize your contacts in Shopify. So inside the Shopify contact section, click smart list on the top tab, then click add smart list and apply filters such as tags, date added, pipeline stage or custom fields. Then save the list so it automatically updates whenever a contact matches your criteria. Then use smart list to quickly segment leads, active clients or cold contacts. So diri sa contacts 9 nakabutang na smart list diri sa top top left. Dislito na nimo siya, then diri kita nimo siya nga tab, then pwede nimo siya i-rename. Then diri sa filters kung unsa lang tong gusto ninyo makita like age, business name, city. And after that, i-sort. Pwede nyo i-sort kung i-priority ninyo yung first name or pa-iwit ba ninyo, pa-descent, then apply. Email, phone. So, na-apply siya, no? Makita na to. Sample date of birth. Tara, phone numbers. Kita din siya. Pingato lang siya, no?